Learn Estonian fast. Have equals.
omama,
Master.
mul on.
Forms. Welcome. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to have fun with Estonian? Hey, friend, do vibes only. Today you'll conquer the Estonian way to say have from the base verb
omama,
to daily power phrases like
mul on,
and.
sul on.
We'll keep it playful, fast, and memorable. Keys, coffee, ideas, you'll be able to say who has what in seconds. Your goal today. By the end, you can point to anyone or anything and say exactly who has what, clean, quick, and confident. The base verb, have, equals.
omama,
Everyday forms you'll use constantly. I have equals.
mul on,
You, sing, have equals.
sul on.
He has equals.
Tal on,
She has equals.
tal on.
It has equals.
Sellel on,
We have equals.
meil on.
You, plural, polite, have equals.
Teil on,
They have equals.
neil on.
Pro tip. In Estonian, the everyday pattern literally feels like, at X is Y. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Listen in and repeat out loud, make your mouth do the work. A. Do you have a pen? B. Yes.
Sul on,
Lol yuks veru. A. Great, I have a notebook. B. Hey.
mul on.
Ka Cove. A. Where are the tickets? B. Tom has them.
Tal on,
Pileted. A. And Anna? Does she have the map? B. Jaw.
tal on.
Cart. A. What about the new phone? B.
Sellel on,
Uzaku, ni et koik tutub. A. Team, do we have snacks? All. Jaw.
meil on.
Naxid. A. Folks, you have the water, right? Group. Jaw.
Teil on,
Puddled. A. Do they have the keys? B. Mudugi.
neil on.
Vatmed. Beat drill. Clap the rhythm and speak. Micro pauses help you lock it in. Call. I have coffee. Response.
mul on,
Cove. Call. You, sing, have time. Response.
sul on.
Aga. Call. He has a plan. Response.
Tal on,
Plan. Call. She has an idea. Response.
tal on.
Idee. Call. It has Wi-Fi. Response.
Sellel on,
Wi-Fi. Call. We have tickets. Response.
meil on.
Pileted. Call. You, plural, have a room. Response.
Teil on,
Tuba. Call. They have a car. Response.
neil on.
Auto. Bonus chant. Base verb equals.
omama,
But daily talk equals.
mul on. sul on. tal on.
Grammar snack. Here's the tasty truth, no grammar indigestion. In daily Estonian, have is expressed with a possessor plus.
on, mul on.
Raamat equals I have a book. Literally, at me is a book. Negation flips the switch.
mul ei ole.
Aga equals I don't have time. You'll still see the base verb.
omama,
Informal phrases.
peab omama.
Cobmust equals must have experience. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal the solution after a short pause. Translate. We have coffee. Answer.
meil on.
Cove. Translate. You, sing, have keys. Answer.
sul on.
Vatmed. Translate. They have time today. Answer.
neil on.
Tana Aga. Translate, she has a new book. Answer.
Talon.
Uz Ramat. Translate, it has a new battery. Answer.
Sellel on.
Uz Aku. Translate, you, plural, have a reservation. Answer.
Teil on.
Breneering. Speed check. What's the base verb, to have? Answer.
Omama.
Speed check. I have an idea. Answer.
Mul on.
E-day. Culture tip. Use what natives actually say, and spot formal phrases with ease. Everyday talk prefers the at X is Y pattern.
Mul on. Sul on. Tal on. Meil on. Teil on. Neil on. Sellel on.
Job ads and formal notices may use
Omama.
e.g.
Kandidaat peab omama.
Jualuba equals the candidate must have a driving license. 30-second challenge. Ready to flex? Speak fast and keep it playful. Say 3 sentences about yourself using
Mul on.
example,
Mul on.
core,
Mul on.
plan,
Mul on.
cove. Point to a friend in your mind and say 2 lines with
Sul on.
now 1 line each with
Tal on. Meil on. Teil on. Neil on.
and 1 feature sentence with
Sellel on.
bonus. Make 1 formal sentence with
Omama.
e.g.
Pean omama.
Kanatlikist. Thanks and goodbye. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing your
Mul on. Sul on. Tal on. Sellel on. Meil on. Teil on. Neil on.
and the base verb.
Omama.
For more fun lessons and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, keep speaking boldly.